Hello everyone. Uh, let's see second problem. Uh, you are given an undirected graph with n vertices, and we have to find a hidden permutation p of size n, and the graph is constructed as follows. Uh, and for each I and j, like there is an undirected edge if and only if p of I is less than p of j, and the edge is between pi and pj. So we have to find the permutation. First, let's see the sample. Like here is the like it is provided in the form of adjacency matrix. So here is the graph for this. Here you can see that edge is connected between 1 and 5 because 1 is less than 5 and 1 is less like 1 is connected to 5. It means that 1 comes before 5. 1 comes before 5, and here you can see that, like, first draw this graph using this adjacency matrix. Like 5 is connected to 4. Wherever 1 is present, take the row and of that cell and column of that cell and connect that. So let's see the second sample. Let me pick that this graph, and now 5 is connected to 4. Like if let's see, there is an x, node number x, and it is connected to y. So it means that if x, like without loss of generality, let's suppose that x is less than y, then it means that like this case is possible only when in the permutation x is coming before y. Then you can only connect the edges between x and y. Like if it is if y comes before and x is, then there can't be an edge because the edge is only present between pi and pj if and only if pi is less than pj and pi is less than pj and I is also less than j. So how to solve this problem? First, see that 5 is the greatest element, so 5 can't be connected to any. Like uh, 5 is here, so first insert 5 in the I will build the permutation one by one. Like first insert 5. Now 4 is connected to 5. It means that 4 is coming before 5, so put 4 here, and let's move ahead to 3. Now 3 is connected to 1, 2 and 5. You only have to look the greater element, greater than 3 element, my love. The node connected to 3 which is greater than this node, whose value is greater than this node 3. So the only node is 5. So 3 should be here, because if 3 is here, let's suppose if 3 is here, then it means that 3 can be connected to 4 also and 5 also, but there is not an edge between 3 and 4. So we have to place 3 here, and let's see 2. 2 is connected to 3 and 5, and both are greater, so we have to place 2 here. 4, 2, 3 and 5. Now 1 is connected to 3 and 5, so 1 should be placed here. Now let's see answer for this problem is 42135. 42135. So now how to code this? uh, First, find, like, move from higher number to a lower number like n to 1, and initially insert n to the array and move to n minus 1 and find all the nodes connected to n minus 1 and check like all the greater nodes, which is let's suppose you are currently processing node number x. So find all the edges connected to this whose value is greater than x. Find all such node and uh, place it at that position only. Like, if the number of nodes connected to x uh, is 3, then place it in the at the third position from right. See here, like here is 3 and the number of nodes greater than 3 is 5, 1, like which is only 5. So I have placed it at position this. Now see 2. Number of nodes, greater nodes connected to 2 is 3 and 5, which is 2. So I have placed it at second position here from right. One will be processed later. So I am leaving the first two element and I am putting 2. So I will be building in this way. So let's see the code. First I am taking the input n, and then I first made making adjacency matrix. Uh, so it is I am connecting only that node which is greater than the current node. Like, I am connecting I to j only way if I is less than j. So adj of I dot pushback j, because so if I find adj of I dot size, then it will give the number of nodes which is greater than I and connected to I also. So I initialize the answer with n, and I'm moving from backward n minus 1 to n, and I'm finding the size, and I'm inserting it from the right current element. I'm printing the answer. So this is the code. Thank you.